Over the next 2 days, we will be driving from the east to west coast of Italy. Join us on our Tuscan road trip. Our next journey starts at Marco Polo Airport, where we pick up our rental car from Avis. This little ride will be our ticket to freedom for the rest of our northern Italy adventure. From here, it's about a 3-hour drive south into Tuscany. And of course, no road trip is complete without a stop for snacks. But Italian rest areas aren't your typical gas station. Yes, you'll find things like chips and candy, but there's also full cafes where you can get pasta, espresso, even full meals. It's definitely worth stopping for more than just gas. Now, driving in a foreign country can feel, well, foreign. Traffic signs are different, the rules can take a bit of getting used to. Luckily, in Italy, we're at least driving on the same side of the road as we're used to in the US, which makes things much easier. Tonight's home is Grotta Giusti. It's a thermal spa resort, and it's part of Marriott's autograph collection. It's built on natural hot springs right in the Tuscan countryside. Even better, we booked it using our annual free night certificate from our AMX Bonvoy business card. Not a bad redemption. This property is so peaceful and surrounded by greenery. After settling in, we head to one of the many pools on the property.
What are you doing?
We decide to skip the hotel restaurant and venture into a nearby town. Dinner, a stroll, and of course, gelato to end the night. We'll see you in the morning. A gorgeous Tuscan morning. After a quick workout, we order breakfast to the room and enjoy it to this incredible view. Not bad at all. This morning's highlight is Grotta Giusti's hot springs. Everyone here is required to wear swim caps. And honestly, I think it's a pretty good look. Beyond the springs, the resort has saunas, steam rooms, spa services, and even a grotto to explore. After a relaxing morning, it's time to get back on the road. In less than an hour, we reach a stop that we just couldn't skip. Pisa. Pisa is famous for its leaning bell tower, tilting nearly 4 degrees due to an unstable foundation. With over 5 million visitors a year, it's one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. And yes, we had to take the classic photo. Over and over and over again. Our final stretch is about 90 minutes to Cinque Terre. 5 colorful villages built along dramatic cliffs overlooking the Ligurian Sea. This will be the next chapter of our Italian adventure. Looking back on these past 2 days, I am so glad we chose the road trip over a quick flight. Driving lets us experience not just the destinations, but everything in between. And honestly, those in-betweens are where the real magic of travel lives.
It's really steep going down.
Next up, Cinque Terre.
Have you put it by your butt? Travel hacks? The butt brace?
Thanks for watching.